make a double batch of soap today, or double loaf rather. I'm going to be doing lavender and cedar. This is from Bramble Berry. I also have a teeny tiny bit of peaceful lavender in there. This is actually 3.5 ounces. I need 4 ounces for this batch, and I had about a 1/4 ounce tester bottle of peaceful lavender. I'm going to be doing, I've got this really pretty impression mat on the bottom, and then I'm going to be doing a wall pour. Typically when you do wall pour, you tilt your loaf, which I'm not going to be doing. So I'm going to pour it along here, and that'll be about half of it. And then I'm going to do drop swirls, but I'm going to try like mini drop swirls. I'm going to try something new. So the colors I'm going to do, I've got lavender mica from Bramble Berry. Actually, all these are honey beige and then evergreen. And then I have some of this really pretty purple mica from the Good Glitter. It is biodegradable. So we're going to put that a little bit along the top. Now, when I was talking about the drop swirls and mini drop swirls, I'm going to do a little differently. Instead of doing individual colors, I'm going to try to get multiple colors in each one. So I'm going to pour it almost like a one pot wonder with these little bitty cups. We'll see how it goes. So I'll go ahead and pinch the edge and then do a drop. So hopefully I'll get 3 or 4 colors. I'm going to do uncolored batter as well as my 4th color. So I'm trying to get multiple colors, like I said, in each one of those drop swirls. So half of it will be that wall pour, and then pouring on top of that with these. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make my batch all at once. And then I'm going to divide my batter in half because I have my slow moving recipe. Actually, this is the same recipe I use for everything now. And then I'm going to fragrance half of it, divide it out, and go ahead and do that wall pour, and then go ahead and divide out again, get my colors in, and probably do individual pours into these cups or 1 cup, and then we'll play that part by ear. So I'm gonna go ahead, get gloved up, and get started.